What's going on, everyone? This is Drew at Drew Drives at Grubbs Volvo Cars in Grapevine, Texas, and today we're going for a drive in this 2023 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 3LZ. This vehicle is powered by a 5.5 liter naturally aspirated V8 with 670 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. It can do 0 to 60 in 2.6 seconds and has an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. I have driven all the trim levels of the Corvette C8 Corvette, even the E-Ray, and I've never driven a Z06, so I'm very excited to see how this car drives. So yeah, this is going to be awesome. So absolutely monstrous power from this. 2.6 seconds 0 to 60 is amazing, and the fact that it has a naturally aspirated V8 just makes it even cooler. So put the vehicle in reverse. You have a backup camera, pretty standard C8 interior in here. Really nice Napa leather seats on the 3LZ. You have the Bose Performance Series sound system. You also have a carbon fiber steering wheel on the 3LZ with carbon fiber shift paddles. It says Z06 over here. You have a heated steering wheel. And here's your drive mode selector. I'm gonna put it in sport mode. You have the track mode, which will change the gauge cluster completely as well. You also have the Z mode, which you can edit. Drive mode settings are now editable, so steering, suspension, I'm gonna make all of it crazy. Performance traction control, sport, I'll put in sport. You also have race 1 and race 2. I love how the Z button lights up. But let's rev it up, walk around it, and then we'll go for a drive. Sounds insane. It's really hard to get in and out of it for me though. Black exterior, the red Z06 badge. You also have really nice wheels with the red Corvette brake calipers. I love black cars, and this car looks amazing. You also have a blackout Corvette logo. Carbon ceramic brakes, forged wheels, very expensive wheels right there. Quad outlet exhausts. On the Z06 is the exhauster in the center. On the regular C8s, it's on the sides. And this one's a convertible, by the way, so you won't be able to see the, engine through the glass. But yeah, it looks fantastic. You also have a wireless charging tray over there to store your phone, which is cool. And you have the 70 anniversary badge over there, 70-year anniversary badge. But time to see how it drives, and I'm very excited for that. Here are your seat controls, AC controls and everything. The driver's up there, passengers controls are on the side. And I like how it has like the cockpit feel in the C8s, how like the driver's seat is completely closed off from the passenger side. It truly does feel like a cockpit, like the way the interior is laid out. Really, really cool, that's for sure. It's cup holders, and you also have remote start. But let's see how this car drives. You have the camera mirror because you can't really see that much out of the regular mirror. That V8 sounds insane. That sounds so good. Oh my God. What a sound. That is fantastic. Wow. absolutely insane. Wow, that is so awesome. There's nothing like a naturally aspirated V8 mid-engine vehicle. It sounds like a Ferrari 458 Italia. That's what it reminds me of. I can't believe Corvette put a naturally aspirated V8 in this thing. That sounds like a symphony. I just had this huge smile on my face. This thing is so awesome. If you guys notice, I haven't really been talking for the last few minutes because I'm just enjoying that engine sound. It is phenomenal. It's like music to me. This car just feels so insane to drive. It's like a video game. Like the engine sound, the steering feel, the transmission, all of it is just fantastic. This is such an amazing car. So one thing is, on the regular C8s, I've noticed I don't like the handling on the regular C8s. The steering feels numb, but on the Z06, that is completely improved. The steering is perfectly weighted. The suspension feels much more dialed in. This feels like the true complete mid-engine vehicle. The regular C8 feels vague in when you're hitting corners and stuff. This car does not. This vehicle is truly phenomenal. This is the C8 to have. And the fact that it's at the price point it is for this kind of performance and styling, and for a mid-engine V8 car, it is phenomenal. Corvette nailed it with this car. Absolutely fantastic vehicle. Just testing out the camera real quick, see what that looks like again. But overall, this 2023 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 3LZ is a fantastic vehicle. Absolute riot to drive. One of the coolest cars I've ever driven. And this is a true, complete C8 Corvette. It improves on all the things I don't like about the regular C8 with the handling and all that, and it is fantastic. So fast, so amazing. And this specific C8 is for sale right now at Grubbs Volvo Cars in Grapevine, Texas. And thanks to Alex and the team for letting me drive this vehicle. Ask for the general manager, Alex, if you're interested in this vehicle. And be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Volvo in the description below to check out all the other amazing cars that Grubbs has to offer. Thanks for watching Drew Drives. I'll catch you all in the next video, and please consider subscribing if you enjoyed. I'll see you all in the next video.